Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you the good and the bad about Silica supplement so that after watching this video you will be able to make your decision easily that whether you should purchase Silica supplement or not. And if you stick till the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase Silica supplement at a lowest available price. So stick till the end. So to explain everything clearly about Silica supplement, I have decided to divide this video in 3 phases. In phase 1, I'm going to tell you that what is Silica and what are its ingredients. In phase 2, I'm going to tell you that what are the benefits of Silica, okay, that you will feel after using this supplement. And in phase 3, I'm going to tell you the things that I don't like about Silica supplement. So let's start the video. So the first question is, what is Silica supplement? Silica is an advanced blood sugar support formula that is scientifically designed to deliver rich source of antioxidants to the body that helps to lower the blood sugar levels in the body. And now it's time to tell you the ingredients of Silica supplement, and it's very important for you to know because you must know that what you are going to consume, okay? And it's not just about Silica supplement, it's about anything that you purchase related to your health, okay? So it includes juniper berry, yarrow, beetroot, banana leaves, cinnamon bark, bitter melon, white mulberry leaves, vitamin E and C, and zinc and magnesium. And the best thing is that these ingredients are all natural and they are very essential for your body to control the blood sugar levels. And now I'm going to mention the benefits. So the first benefit of Silica supplement is that it stabilizes the blood sugar level in the body, and that's definite because this is why this supplement is created. But the good thing is that this is not the only benefit of this supplement. It also promotes the adequate blood circulation, and it also boosts your immunity system, okay, which can help you to fight diseases, okay, and it detoxifies the body, and it also boosts your mood by energizing your body. So these are the main benefits of this supplement. And yeah, one more thing, which is that it comes with 60 days money back guarantee. It's not a benefit related to your health, but it's related to your finance, okay, because it makes your investment risk free. And now let me tell you the thing that I don't like about Silica supplement, which is that this supplement is only available on its official website. So you can't purchase it from local market. And I don't like this thing because I love to go to market to purchase anything, okay? So that's the reason, okay? But I will leave the link of the official website in the description for you guys so that if you want to purchase, you can purchase right now, okay? And one more thing that I promise you that I'm going to tell you where you can purchase this supplement at the lowest price available. So as I mentioned, you can purchase it only from official website. So this is the only place where you can purchase it. So if someone is saying get the discount, okay, they are going to scam you. Stay away from them. And I hooked you in the beginning just for a reason, so I can tell you this thing, okay, so that you don't get scammed. And now let me tell you the precautions, which is that if you are a pregnant woman or lactating mother or a children, this supplement is not for you. And if you are already on some medication, then I recommend you to consult your doctor first before using this supplement. So I hope you liked this review. Please give me a like. And that's it for today. Have a nice day.